Let's discuss two problems, Leetcode 12 and 13. Their conversion of integer to Roman and Roman to integer. Before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I've added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now, back to the problem. The first one is Leetcode 12, conversion from integer to Roman. So you are given like 1984 and you need to convert this into Roman literals. And so I call this as place value vectors pattern because that's what you are storing, which makes the logic simple, is because you have the what are the corresponding Roman literals for thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Here it goes only up to 4000 because the constraint in the problem on Leetcode is the maximum number is only 3999, one less than 4000. So now once these vectors are constructed, the logic is pretty simple in the sense that you just calculate the thousands, what digit is there in the thousands place value, and then similarly for 100 and then tens and ones, and then you dip into these vectors to keep attaching the Roman literals, and that's how you build it. We'll run through this in this 1984. So you do divided by 1000, 1984 divided by 1000, that becomes 1. And so you dip into this thousands vector and then get m, and then you get the hundreds place as 9, and if you give it a hundreds place and the ninth digit is cm, so you do m cm, and then the tens place is 8. 8 is l triple x, l x x x, and then 4 is the single digit place. So this is the conversion from Roman from integer to Roman. Now we'll use the same thing to do the Leetcode 13, which I call it as, I ran this. This one is a little bit looks more complicated, so I just had a run to make the explanation pretty simple. So in this case, I call it as Ascii vector pattern because you are given this Ascii values, and then you store the whatever is the Roman values for I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. So these are the ones you store what are their corresponding values, and then use them. So now you loop through this character string. We loop through this character string. Then if this is one trick thing, we'll see this in the next iteration. Roman values of Ascii. So we are at 0, and so I plus 1 is C. So M is greater than C. So you come here and then add 1000, and then in the case of the next one, when you go to C, C is less than 1000. So C is less than this M I plus 1, so 2, index of 2. And so you subtract 100 from the result, because if you see this one, right, it is 5, but if there is a 1 to the left, you subtract and make it 4. So that's the reason why this logic is needed. I will show you the run. If you see 1984, we just added, let me cut paste this string here. So once I cut paste the string here, it is easy to see. So you add 1000 to the result reading the first term, and then because of the C you subtract, and because C you subtract because the next M is actually one more, so M is more has higher value than C, so you add 1000 again, so it becomes 1900. Then L is 50, so you add 50, and then X is 10, so you add 1980, and then you subtract 1, so it becomes 1979, and then you add 5 because of this V, so it becomes 1984. And that's it. Let me know if you have any comments. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.